Okay, let's see what's inside. And this is the Creative Notions April 2025 subscription. This month, we're thrilled to unveil a new quilt created especially for you by Carol Thielen. Ooh, with flowers. I like those. Okay, let me see. Tell us what's in the box. Okay, let's find out what's in here. First, there is a paper piecing kit. It includes 2.5-inch squares, the templates, and the background fabric. This is called Bee Garden Mini Charm Quilt Block. And let me see. And it looks like the value of this is $10. I'm not a big one on hexagons, but I have a daughter-in-law that loves doing them. So I give this to her. Okay. There's a little treat. Doesn't look, looks interesting. I think it got a little smashed. From the Country Father. Let's see. Then there are 2 Taylor's chalk. I think I was only supposed to get 1. Looks like 1, but I got 2. And these are great. They're for marking on your fabric, tracing around something. Like probably like when you do the paper piecing, but you can use them for anything. So the value of those are normally they're $2.95 a piece. Now, let me see. Oh, here, what's this? Quilter's Dangler Kit. Huh. That is to make a little quilt dangler. It's a keychain. Keychain kit. The value of this is $5. Print. Schmetz needles. You can never have too many of them. This is the 8012, which is a very good universal needle. I use these all the time. And the cost on them is $4.30. Okay, and there are directions to make the keychain. Oh, it's cute. You're going to do, you're going to cover that cord with fabric. That's interesting. And there is a quilt along, a 2025 mystery row by row quilt along. And this is what we will be up to. They're cute blocks. This beehive, that's adorable. And the bees. I've been doing a lot of those in card making. They are just really cute. And so the value of these, of the quilt along blocks, is $10. And then next we're going to go to the kit. And the value of this is $72. Comes in a nice pouch, which I always like. And here's the pattern. And the pattern is 51 by 64. And it's a flower quilt. That is beautiful. The blocks are 12-inch finished blocks. There's fabric for the binding. And all of the fabrics are included. I'll take a picture of these, but these very pretty rainbow colored fabrics, as you can see. Blue, yellow, orange, dark pink, light pink, purple, and green for the leaves. And she's also included, let's see, 3.5 yards of fabric for the background. So that was what was included in the Creative Notions subscription box for this month. I will put a link down below so you can find out. I can't remember what this costs. I'll find out and I'll put that in the video too. So let me know what you think of all this. Thank you.